Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Easy here. Not gonna go into an intro. Just wanted to get this video out of the way really fast. So, a lot of you guys been asking me where have I been? Why have I been uploading? If you watched my previous video that I uploaded, probably a week and a half ago, my mother passed away. Um, I've been dealing with a whole lot of issues, a lot of problems going on. So I have not been uploading, doing much anything. I have videos of some unboxings that I did. um, I really didn't do any talking inside the videos. I just unboxed it. I'll probably just throw some audio on top of it. I'm not really in the mood to really do YouTube stuff or stream or upload, whatever it may be. I am dealing with the whole issues with family members doing things that is pissing me off. So literally right now, it's like I'm not thinking about YouTube and any other things. I'm just trying to keep my mind straight. Um, as what you would say in Boy Scouts, on my honor, promise to do my best to do my duty to God in my country at all time. And funny how my watch goes off right now because I'm getting a bunch of messages on Facebook. But as they say in Boy Scouts, on my honor, promise to do my best to do my duty to God in my country at all time to keep myself physically straight, mentally straight, morally straight. So going by those words right there, trying to just deal with everything that's going on. So I will be back soon. I'm changing up my channel a lot. So just expect a big change on my channel. So I'm pushing away from gameplays and stuff like that. I will be doing gameplays and stuff, but I'm moving fully towards tech and over the head stuff. So I won't be doing more podcast type of stuff and other things on this channel. Yeah, just wanted to give you an update of what was going on. As you can see, I got the cowboy hat on right now. So just to let you guys know, I always wear cowboy hats. Um, just not when I'm doing live streams like that. It's just I just got back in. Doing some rodeo type of stuff. That's what I like to do. So yeah, I will catch you guys later. You probably hear a very big difference in my voice. I'm talking the way how I normally would talk. So this is literally how I sound when I talk, and not doing yo, what's up, guys? But to be honest, I don't feel like straining my voice no more. So talking the way how I normally talk to you guys. All right, so I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces, one, peace. I'm out. Holla.